Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda Odyssey versus the Mitsubishi Grandis. Let's start with what's under the hood. The Honda Odyssey often comes equipped with a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering strong acceleration and ample power for highway cruising. In contrast, the Mitsubishi Grandis typically features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, which offers a more economical performance. The Odyssey generally provides over 240 horsepower, while the Grandis usually delivers around 165 horsepower, making the Odyssey the more powerful option. Moving inside, both vehicles prioritize passenger comfort, but with some differences. The Honda Odyssey is well known for its spacious interior, comfortably seating up to 8 passengers across 3 rows. It also boasts impressive cargo capacity, often exceeding 150 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. The Mitsubishi Grandis, while still practical, typically seats 7 passengers and offers around 65 cubic feet of cargo volume. Both provide flexible seating arrangements, but the Odyssey generally offers more overall space. When it comes to safety, the Honda Odyssey frequently receives high marks in crash tests, often earning top safety ratings from various organizations. It typically includes a comprehensive suite of airbags and advanced driver assistance features. The Mitsubishi Grandis also provides essential safety features, including standard airbags for all occupants. Both manufacturers have a reputation for building reliable vehicles, with Honda often cited for its long-term durability and Mitsubishi for its robust warranty offerings. Finally, let's talk about the driving experience and overall value. The Honda Odyssey is praised for its refined ride quality and responsive handling, often feeling more like a car than a minivan. The Mitsubishi Grandis also delivers a stable and comfortable ride, suitable for family travel. When considering long-term value, both offer good options, but resale value can vary. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific needs and priorities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.